Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for March 2024. This is a general reading, just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And thank you sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. Just a reminder, gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Pa-follow, like na rin ang ating Facebook at TikTok. Lahat po yan, Mr. Queen PH. And please like, share, subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. And please check out my Shopee. Available ang mga protection and prosperity items, bracelets, zodiac sign bracelets, and many more. Link on the description. And kung kayo interesado sa private reading, pakicheck na lang ang description at pin comment. Lahat po ng information nandyan. Okay, Capricorn, what's up? Ano yung messages, energies for you ngayong March 2024? Fifth house, passion. Fifth house is about dating. So, yung iba sa inyo, maaring magiging open kayo sa dating or you will be going out more with your loved ones, with your kids or your romantic partner. Ayan, lalabas kayo to have fun. Yung iba, meron kayong i-explore na inyong talent, skills, passion sa art, sa music, anything related sa entertainment, content creation. Let's see, ano pa? Oh, wow, Jupiter. There's abundance coming in. Abundance in your ideas. Abundance sa pera, sa resources. Ayan, masaganang ani. Oh, ang ganda. Maari ding you will have a healthier lifestyle ngayong March. You have Pallas Athena, so thinking. Ayan, marami rin kayong mga bagong ideas ngayong March na i-explore, isa sa katuparan. Ayan, abundance of ideas. Yes. Maaring this is related to writing, no? Kung kayo ay mahilig magsulat or you are someone who is into creative writing, yan. May opportunities opening up for you ngayong March. Oo, you can also write a book, become an author, or meron kang i-write na mga concepts. Pwedeng magtuturo ka din, no? Oo, may teaching opportunities rin for you ngayong March. Let's see what else for Capricorn. You have the ray of light. Liwanag. Ray of light. Ang ganda. So, ray of light is about clarity, no? Being more focused, alam mo kung ano yung gusto mong gawin, 'di ba? I also see you collaborating with other people, working with them. Yung tipong kapareho mo ng interes, ayan. Hihingi ka ng payo, parang exchange of knowledge. Oo. You also have the energy of the wind. The wind is also releasing of the stuck energy. Cleansing. Oo. Yung iba sa inyo may i-release na negative energies around you or anything that you think is no longer serving your highest good. Yung iba, merong yung decluttering. Oo. Paglilinis literal ng bahay. Maaring magkakaroon kayo ng general cleaning. Itatapon nyo na or ipapamigay, i-donate, ibebenta yung mga bagay na hindi nyo na ginagamit, na nagtitake up lang ng space sa bahay. Oo, kasi lahat yan may energy. So, yung iba sa inyo, i-release na yung mga bagay na wala nang use, no? Wala nang gamit. So, this is your overall energy, King of Pentacles. Very busy sa kaperahan. You also have the Chariot. Wow. So, in terms of your career, business, meron ditong success. Yes. The Chariot is about triumph, tagumpay. And this is also moving forward. So, maaring magiging mabilis ang takbo ng March para sa inyo. You'll be very busy. You will be traveling a lot, no? Going to different places. Maaring dahil ito sa mga aasikasuhin mong negosyo or mga proyekto, no, na nangangailangan ng pag-travel at pagpunta sa iba't ibang lugar. Your challenge is the Six of Cups. So, maaring magkaroon ka ng challenging situation with your kids kung meron ka ng anak. or energy from the past. Maaring may babalik from the past, but of course, it's all up to you if you will allow, no, i-allow mo itong taong to na bumalik sa buhay mo. Depende na yan sa dahilan kung bakit hinayaan mong mawala siya sa buhay mo nung mga nakaraan. But I also see you na giving a chance, no? Meron kang bibigyan ng pagkakataon uli na patunayan yung sarili niya. Let's see your opportunity. Your opportunity, you have the Queen of Pentacles. Oh, ang ganda ng opportunity mo. This is about having the things that you need, no? Yung mga kakayanan mo, yung mga abilities mo para kumita ng pera, mag-create ng opportunities para sa sarili mo. I think gagamitin mo yung mga resources mo ngayon, no? Para mas lalo mong palaguin yung kabuhayan mo with Jupiter energy. Oo. Lahat ng pwede mong pagkakitaan. Oo. You also have the Lovers. So, opportunity for you to team up with someone, to work with someone, to partner with someone. Maaring romantic partner mo to or business partner. May opportunity kayo na mas maging mas palawakin pa yung business ninyo. Mas magdadagdag kayo ng products, ng services. It's all about growing. And also, some of you maaring opportunity to get into a relationship, a very serious relationship. Kung kayo ay single, no, maaring meron kayong makikilalang tao na very serious. Kapareho nyo na Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, or pwede ring Gemini, na pareho kayo ng mindset, na kumbaga pareho kayo ng yung tinatawag nila na wavelength, no? Pareho kayo mag-isip, ganyan, dumiskarte sa buhay. Ayan. So, for your blessing, you have the 5 of Cups. Mabibigyan kayo ng chance sa mga bagay na akala nyo na sayang nyo na. Yung mga missed opportunities ninyo, maaring bibigyan kayo nito ng chance na, o ipagpatuloy mo, subukan mo ulit. Yung mga bagay na nag-fail in the past, failed relationships, or failed career, failed business. So, ngayong March, mabibigyan mo ng chance yan. Oh, you have the 4 of Pentacles. This is about financial stability, financial security. So, I think ngayon, mas seryoso ka sa pag-pursue ng iyong career, ng iyong business. At dahil dyan, mas lalo kang magiging porsigido, no, na ipagpatuloy, lalo na't nabibigyan ka ngayon ng pagkakataon. Kasi tinan mo, ang gaganda ng cards for you. You have 2 Pentacles energy rito na very serious, very mature, established pagdating sa career, sa business, sa finances. And you have the Chariot card, which is about success. So, kumbaga, ikaw na mismo, yung mindset mo is a mindset of a successful person. And partnering with the person na talagang supportive sa mga ginagawa mo, double success na yan para sa'yo. Kasi merong taong nakasuporta sa'yo ngayon. And also creating stability in your finances, in your career. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring meron kayong i-acquire na properties, or meron kayong mga gagawin na changes pagdating sa bahay ninyo, i-renovate, yung iba, i-convert nyo yung bahay nyo sa sa tindahan or sa office. Like, magdadagdag kayo ng space sa bahay nyo na pwede nyong pagkakitaan. Okay? You also have the energy ng childhood. Or you may be giving more time with your kids, your family, your loved ones. Merong new direction dito. You are moving forward. You are really, mabilis oo. Parang sobrang busy to the point na baka wala ka na masyadong oras at panahon sa iyong sarili. Pero, kung talagang porsigido ka, diba? Kung porsigido ka, kailangan alagaan mo rin yung sarili mo. Oo, kasi syempre, paano tayo magiging productive kung hindi naman maganda yung condition ng ating health? Ayan, ating kalusugan. So, marami kang communications ngayon. May mga kakausapin ka ngayon. Ngayong March. Maaring mga clients to. Mga bagong collaboration. You may also be talking to some people na meron silang maitutulong sa mga bagay na gusto mong palaguin, palawakin, like yung business mo, yung career mo, yung mga projects mo. Okay? So, this is a very great reading for you, Capricorn. A lot of opportunities. Kailangan lang talaga dito consistency. Okay? So, that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. Bye!